Alright, I'm gonna solve question B. With this question, when you see fraction form, remember this thing. Remember this. If you got fraction a over b equal to another fraction c over d, it's gonna be a times d will be equal to b times c. This is what you can conclude. Alright, I'll give you an example. Why is this correct? Let's say a half. A half can be equal to 2 over 4. Do you agree with me? All right, let's see if this cross multiply method correct. So now if I got 1 times with 4, which is cross multiply, 1 times 4, is it equal to 2 times 2? Yeah? So this is always correct for any fraction equal to another fraction. This is also can be applied to this case here. If you see fraction, always do cross multiply. What I can do here is 3 times with, alright, let's say negative x minus 4 times with 1. Because there is no number down here, remember any number, a divided by any number, it will be equal to 8. 9 divided by 1 will be equal to itself, number 9. So let's see negative x minus 4 times with 1 will be equal to itself, equal to, cross multiply, 3 times 1 is 3. Now I can get rid of fraction. You do not get rid of fraction. You just make it into another form that's easier for you to solve. Now move negative x to the left. So just keep it to the left and move the rest to the right. You got negative 4. If you move negative 4 to the other side, it's gonna become positive. So 3 plus 4. Negative x will be equal to 7, and x gonna be equal to negative 7. The reason is because up to this day here, you can divide both sides by negative 1, and then you cancel out the negative. You're left with x equal to negative 7. All right, let's go with another question. Let's see if we can solve this question now. All right, let's see. All right, question A, 12 equal to 7x over 2 minus 9. All right, now as I told you, we always want x to the left, so move the whole bit to the left. That's gonna be negative x over 2 equal to, we have 12, move to the right, gonna be negative 12 minus 9. Now it's gonna be negative x 7x over 2 equal to negative 1. Hold on. So it's gonna be equal to negative 21. All right. So it's gonna be equal to negative 21. So we got negative x over 2 equal to negative 21. What would I do now? Remember I told you that if you want to get rid of, remember now we come to fraction again. How would I get rid of fraction? So this one, the easier way you can do is put an 1 here. Negative 21 divided by 1 will be equal to itself. So now do cross multiply for me. You got negative 7x times with 1 equal to itself, and you got 2 times with negative 21 would be negative 42 x. Now how do you get rid of negative 7? Remember the inverse operation. The inverse of multiply will be divide, so you're gonna divide both sides by negative 7. You're gonna divide both sides by the number that you want to get rid of. And negative 42 divided by negative 7 gonna be equal to 6.